Take a look at this 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram 1500 has just under 55,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, cruise control, driver airbag and heated mirrors. Call 877-958-3232 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.